at home. I'm at home. In Italian, sono a casa. Sono a casa means I'm at home. Here, sono means am. Sono means am. A casa means at home. Casa means home, but a casa means at home. So we can say sono a casa. I'm at home. We can say slowly. Sono a casa. Sono a casa means I'm at home. Sono means I'm. A casa means at home. Then, where are you? Where are you? In Italian, dove sei? Dove sei means where are you? Okay? Where are you in Italian? Dove sei? Here, dove means where. Dove means where. Sei means you. Sei, you. Dove sei? Where are you? Okay? In the question form. Dove sei? Where are you? Dove means where. Sei means you. So we can say dove sei? Where are you? Then, this room is very clean. This room is very clean. In Italian, questa stanza è molto pulita. Questa stanza è molto pulita. In it means this room is very clean. Here, questa means this, stanza means room, e is, molto means very, pulita means clean. So we can say questa stanza è molto pulita means this room is very clean. Then, turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. In Italian, accendi le luci. Accendi le luci means turn on the lights. Okay? Here, accendi means turn on. Accendi, turn on. Le luci, the lights. Accendi le luci, turn on the lights. Accendi means turn on. Le luci means the lights. So we can say accendi le luci means turn on the lights. Accendi le luci. Then, keep the door open. Keep the door open. In Italian, lascia la porta aperta. Lascia la porta aperta means keep the door open. Okay? Here, lascia means keep. The la porta means la porta means the door. Aperta means open. So we can say lascia la porta aperta. Keep the door open. Lascia la porta aperta. Then, I'm in bed. I'm in bed. In Italian, sono a letto. Sono a letto. Sono a letto means I'm in bed. I'm in bed. Here, sono means am. Sono means am. A letto means in bed. Okay? Sono a letto. We can say I'm in bed. Sono a letto. I'm in bed. Sono a letto. Or we can say io sono a letto. I'm in bed. Then turn off the TV. turn off the TV in Italian. Spegne la TV. Spegne la TV means turn off the TV. Okay? Here, spegne means turn off. Spegne, turn off. La TV means the TV. Spegne la TV means turn off the TV. Okay? Spegne la TV means turn off the TV. Then open the window. Open the window in Italian. Apri la finestra. Apri la finestra. Apri la finestra means open the window. Open the window. Apri la finestra. Here, apri means open. La finestra means the window. Apri la finestra. Open the window. Apri la finestra. Apri la finestra. Then put things in their place. Put things in their place in Italian. Metti le cose al loro posto. Metti le cose al loro posto. Put things in their place. Okay? Here, metti means put. Le cose means things. Al loro means in there. Posto means place. So we can say metti le cose al loro posto. Metti le cose al loro posto means put things in their place. Then the curtains need to be cleaned. The curtains need to be cleaned. In Italian, bisogna pulire le tende. Bisogna pulire le tende. Bisogna pulire le tende means the curtains need to be cleaned. Okay? Bisogna pulire le tende. Here, bisogna means need to be. Pulire means clean. Le tende means the curtains. So we can say bisogna pulire le tende means the curtains need to be cleaned. Bisogna pulire le tende. Bisogna pulire le tende. The curtains need to be cleaned. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel.